Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is a declutter and clean with me video. I have said like 500 times in my cleaning videos recently that I really needed to tackle this homeschool cabinet. It has just become a catch-all, very unorganized, and homeschooling is something we do every day, so to have to see it and deal with it every day was just becoming a lot. So I finally got up all of the energy that I needed to tackle it. So right now I am cleaning out the drawer that has all of the craft supplies and colors and all of that. I'm just cleaning that out. I'm going to give it a good vacuum, throwing away a lot of stuff. I'm trying to keep all of the markers and stuff that I need to keep. Alright, now I'm going to go through everything that I have for school. So we use the Good and the Beautiful curriculum, so it comes with like a math box, like an activity box, and there's some other things that we have that we pull from sometimes, but other than that, it's pretty minimal. We have like a few notebooks and then like a computer and stuff like that. We really don't use a whole lot. So this closet, like this little cupboard, stays pretty minimal, which is good. I don't know that I could do one of the big box curriculums that comes with all of the different moving pieces and stuff like that. store and got stuff for our weekend. I have been trying to shop 2 meals at a time to reduce food waste and then also to reduce our grocery bill. What happened? Why is this not focusing on? So I'm gonna share a grocery haul super fast. It's a small one. Before Jack takes everything, we got some stuff for Indian food this weekend. I needed some olive oil. We're gonna do roasted veggies. I'm gonna make some mango, like dehydrated mango strips. Some fruit. Got different kinds of fruit. I got some grapes, but they're up there because I already dug into them. I got flour for bread making, coconut milk for smoothies, my fun weekend snack, burgers and fries, and yeah, that's it. This is real mom life. I'm trying to put away the dishes and cook lunch, and feed Jack lunch, feed myself, feed the girls, and put away all of the groceries all at the same time. Alright, the last thing on my to-do list was to give my bathroom a good deep clean. Now, I am giving you a fair warning. In a minute, you will see me try and unclog my drain, and it's a bit more of a process than I expected it to be, and it's a lot grosser than I expected it to be. So if you have a weak stomach, skip over that part, but I know some people like seeing that kind of stuff. So I thought I would share it anyway. So it's coming up. Right now I'm just cleaning up, getting all the stuff off the floor, putting all of the laundry in a pile. I usually scrub my toilet first. I use the Clorox scrub wands just so that it can sit, and I'll spray it down so that the spray sits. I use Branch Basics. And then whenever I'm done at the end, I'll wipe my toilet down. Thank you.
There could be so much stuff in there.
It stinks.
Oh, it stinks.
Yeah.
It smells like eggs.
Oh, ew, it's slimy! It's slimy! Ew, it's slimy! Ew, I don't want to do it.
Okay, here, watch out. Why does it look like poop?
Oh, this is so gross. everything put away, everything wiped down and scrubbed, I'm just finishing up by taking the trash out and putting a new trash bag in the trash can. And then I'm gonna vacuum the floors. I ended up mopping them a little bit later, I think, but it was getting to be the baby's bedtime, so he was getting fussy. So I didn't do that right away. But if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube, and I know that this is the kind of stuff that you like to see. And also, if you feel like any of my future videos could serve you in some way, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!